Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Ecobee Thermostat black screen in 2026. So first of all, you need to head to your home's electrical panel and you need to look for any of the tripped breakers that will be labeled as furnace, air handle or HVAC or AC. So if you find one, you just have to simply reset it and then you just have to simply wait for a minute for the thermostat to power back on. Now, loss of thermostat power is one of the most common causes of the black Ecobee screen. Now, if the system recently stopped working after heavy AC use, you can inspect the condensate drain line. Now, many of the HVAC system include the float switch that shuts off the power of the thermostat when the drain line becomes clogged. So this is going to prevent the water damage, but it can make the Ecobee appear completely dead. Now you can also simply reboot your thermostat. For that, you just have to simply just carefully remove the Ecobee thermostat from the wall plate. Afterwards, you just have to wait for 30 seconds and then reconnect it firmly. If power is available from the HVAC system, the Ecobee logo should appear and the thermostat should also begin restarting. So if the screen remains black even after doing this, you can inspect the thermostat wiring as well. So the C wire here, the common wire provides a continuous power to the Ecobee. So a loose, disconnected or improperly installed C wire can prevent the thermostat from turning on even when the HVAC equipment appears normal. So you can also check the C wire. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Ecobee thermostat black screen is resolved. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.